Okay, so the kurti looks decent. The material somehow. So hello. Hi everyone. My name is Bhavna Sisodia and welcome back to my channel. I've seen a lot of girls doing Meesho haul for the summer season. So I've got short kurtis from Meesho, that too under rupees 300 only. So this haul is going to be all about affordability and quality. Don't worry about the sizes. I'll be mentioning all the sizes and everything related to the product and the kurti in the description or else here somewhere. Before going further with the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first, I have this kurti from Meesho, that too in a very pretty pink color. This is the first purchase that I made from Meesho. It's a pink kurti. Okay, so let's open this. This is gonna be my first impression on all this clothing. So I have not opened it. I have just seen the packaging and everything about this product. This will be my first reaction on how this looks and how the quality will be. Okay, so the kurti looks decent. The material is somehow thin and it's not see-through. Otherwise, the quality wise, the print and everything, the fabric is so good. And this is the short kurti. It's like a top only, like a tunic, and it has a little 3/4 sleeve. It also has an elastic, something like that only, but in a low quality. Like this has elastic here, but this doesn't stretch that much. This also has a nada around it, like you can tie it around your waist, like adjust it according to your size only. This type का ये material है, to be honest, if you wash it, like after one wash जो कपड़े ऐसे shrink हो जाते हैं, this is somewhat like that only. So whatever your size will be, go an upper size, like एक size बड़ा ही लेना इसमें. So according to me, I will give this kurti a solid 9 on 10. Up next we have this kurti. It's a black and white kurti. You can see here, it's a really pretty kurti. The print of this kurti is really pretty, and it also has a v-neck similar to the prior kurti that I have showed. And this also has a 3/4 sleeves. The detailing around the sleeve is also pretty. It's a straight kurti, like it doesn't have anything to tie up, like nada वगैरह नहीं है इसके लिए. Quality wise, it's a cotton fabric. It's not see-through. You can use this type of kurtis in your college or office going girls can use them, and also for day-to-day uses, this is the best quality kurti. So for me, I'll be rating this kurti 10 on 10. Up next we have this kurti right here. It's a pretty white and blue kurti. So I was a little skeptical जब मैंने इसको order किया था. I was a little skeptical कि यार ये see through होगी या नहीं. So let's see if it's see through or not. So this is how the kurti looks like. This has a really pretty detailing going on. Like if you see, it's a white color, and बीच में आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा print दिया गया है. It's like a white, blue and a little black detailing going on. This is really a pretty kurti that you will be getting. Of course, I think it's a see-through kurti. Let me check. It's not like a see-through kurti at all. If you can see, here's I have a box. It's a purple in color, and you can see it's not see-through at all. But white kurti का होता क्या है, like most of the white kurtis are see through, and that's why I get a little skeptical कि मैं लूँ या ना लूँ white color में. But this one has a really good quality. It's a cotton material, breathable है बहुत. It's a lightweight kurti you will be getting, and also this has a really good printing going on. If you can see, यहाँ पे भी अच्छा सा print दिया गया है. The sleeves are 3/4, as you can see 3/4 sleeves है. Most of the kurtis you will be getting to see are mostly like 3/4 sleeves or like full sleeves. I have a thing for 3/4 sleeves. Like ये भी जो मैंने अभी पहना हुआ है, ये भी 3/4 ही है. This looks so pretty, and summers के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. If you are planning to get something for your college or like office wear के लिए, this is a must have. I love this so much. The color, the print, everything is top notch, and for me, I'll be rating this 10 on 10, a solid 10 on 10. You should have this. Up next we have a red color kurti, like you can see. This is like a unique color, and no, not unique color, sorry. इसके sleeves बहुत unique है. It's a full sleeve kurti. I'll show you guys. This kurti right here is so pretty. ये भी बहुत पतला कपड़ा है, but it's not see through. The print is such a good quality print. पूरा floral print मिल रहा है इसके साथ, and you can see here it has a full sleeves. I don't know what these sleeves are called. Like it's a full sleeve kurti, but यहाँ पे देखा जा सकता है कि you can see here it has a wide opening right here. Like यहाँ पे अगर आप पहनोगे तो ये यहाँ पे wide आएगा. Because of the sleeves, I got this kurti, and it has a v-neck. This is also cotton material. इसका material भी बहुत अच्छा है, and this can shrink. I am not sure, but this can also shrink down अगर आपने धोया इसको एक बार में. For the summer seasons, it's not an appropriate color, but like यार बहुत अच्छी कुर्ती है, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस। आई विल बी रेटिंग दिस लाइक अ 9/10 बिकॉज इतना कुछ अच्छा खास लग नहीं रहा है, जैसे मतलब जैसे पिक्चर में दिखाया गया था सेम वैसा नहीं है, बट इट्स प्रिटी लाइक सिमिलर टू दैट ओनली है। बट ये थोड़ा सा रेड कलर ना, इसे थोड़ा ब्राइट आ गया है, एंड जो मैंने देखा था वो थोड़ा सा डार्क कलर था, डार्क रेड था। ओके सो लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, लाइक लीस्ट ही है ये, बट इट्स माई फेवरेट। दिस इज़ द बेस्ट कुर्ती आई हैव सीन। लाइक ये वाली तो मैं पक्का बहुत यूज़ करने वाली हूँ। सो इट्स समहाउ लुक लाइक दिस, बट यहाँ पे मैं मेंशन करती हूँ ये कुर्ती थोड़ा सा ऐसे ना लाइटिश ब्लू कलर में थी, बट आया मुझे थोड़ा सा डार्क ब्लू कलर है। आई एम नॉट अपसेट अबाउट द कलर, बट लाइक मेरी इमेजिनेशन ख़राब हो गई इसको लेकर। सो दिस इज़ वॉट द कुर्ती लुक्स लाइक। बहुत प्यारा ऐसे थोड़ा सा लाइक इसको चाइनीज़ कॉलर बोलते हैं शायद से, एंड हाँ ये चाइनीज़ कॉलर है यार। इसका ये थोड़ा डीप है विच आई एम नॉट अ फॉन, लाइक आई डोंट लाइक डीप नेक्स, बट आई विल डू समथिंग। मैं यहाँ से इसको स्टिच करवा लूँगी या कुछ तो करवा लूँगी, बट दिस इज़ वॉट द कुर्ती लुक्स लाइक। इसको हाँ ये थोड़ा सा this has a full sleeve, you can see this also has an elastic here. इसका the print of this kurti is so good, like ये प्रॉपर ऐसे लाइक जयपुरी कुर्ती टाइप लग रहा है, एंड द प्राइस वी आर पेइंग फॉर दिस इज सच एन अफोर्डेबल रेट। दिस इज माई फेवरेट कुर्ती कॉज द प्रिंट इज 10/10, द फैब्रिक इज सो ब्रीदेबल, लाइक ये प्रॉपर प्योर कॉटन का कुर्ती है, एंड इट हैज़ फुल स्लीव्स, प्लस इसका लाइक लुक बहुत अच्छा आने वाला है इफ़ यू वेयर दिस ऑन लाइक इन योर कॉलेज और लाइक ऑफिस के लिए अगर आपने ये पहनी, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट कुर्ती एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग सो मेनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ऑन दिस। बहुत लाइट वेट है ये, समर्स के लिए दी मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट। इससे टैनिंग भी नहीं होगी क्योंकि ये फुल स्लीव्स है। इसको भी अगर ले रहे हो तो एक साइज बड़ी ही लेना, क्योंकि इसको धोने के बाद ये थोड़ा सा श्रिंक हो सकता है। बाय एनी चांस दिस गेट श्रिंक्स, दिस इज सच अ गुड कुर्ती एंड इट्स माई फेवरेट वन। अगर ये थोड़ा सा लाइट कलर में आता ना, ये ब्लू वाला, so it was the best color, best for the summer season, best for everyday look. For me it's a 10/10. So yeah, that was for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you need more such Meesho haul, then do let me know in the comment section. Also the links of all the products will be mentioned in the description, as well as the sizes. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye bye.